guys, in this video we are going to show you how to install Kali Linux in your laptop. In this Lenovo laptop I am going to install Kali Linux in front of you all so that you can learn how to install Kali Linux on your laptop. First of all, you take pin and insert, take a pen drive, take a pen drive, insert in the laptop, in the pen drive port, and take a pin and insert and this hole.
After
Just
pressing
press it once.
in that
Just
hole,
press it once.
you will see this interface and choose this third option and select your hard disk, which is TASA, and press enter. And after that, go down below and you will see start installer. Tap on that option, press enter. It take time. I will just put it down. After that, you will see some distance of pressures, and in this you will choose your language, English, and press enter. And now choose your language, enter, press enter. It will take some time. Press yes and no, and choose the option no and press enter again. Before that, you will first of all, while using pen drive, it must be bootable with ISO file of Linux. Don't forget that. That pen drive must be bootable pen drive. It takes some time, and you will choose second option. This is easier, WRN1O, that means Wi-Fi. Select choose Wi-Fi. Here will show Wi-Fi and choose Wi-Fi. I will choose this, and again security type, press password of that Wi-Fi, type password of that Wi-Fi and connect it. It is not compulsion, you can ignore this also, but right now I'll choose that. It takes some time. And write down configure the network. It says configure network. Type your computer name, which name you want to put in your laptop name as a laptop name, and type in your password. Type in the password, same password. Type here again. You can type password once and again choose tab button and type password. After typing password again, choose tab button, tab, or directly you can press enter. Tab button and take to the continue and press enter if any problem occur. And choose now your which region you are. We are in a mountain. I'm from Nepal and I'm doing this video from Nepal. So yeah, it chooses mountain. It says loading some data. Press no and enter. In this video I will choose entire disk, as otherwise you can distribute disk also as storage A, B, C, but now as a beginner it better partition disk. In partition disk I will choose whole entire disk as an storage media.
इसको साउन्ड आउँछ भनेको म्युट गर्न त्यस्तो सक्दैन यसको
Now it says installing group bootloader. It takes some time. Press enter and choose your hard disk, and that is second option. In second option it is shown. Press enter. It says finishing the installation. After the finishing of installation, press yes and press enter. After this finishing, you eject your pen drive out. See here it says installation complete, then press enter, and you can eject. Don't forget to eject your pen drive out, and press enter
Continue.
and continue button. Just wait, it takes some time, and just eject out pen drive. At last eject out pen drive after completion, and it automatically it restart. You can see Kali Linux has already installed. It says it takes 5 seconds to booting. It's automatic boot. Don't disturb in. You can just ignore this and wait for a minute, for 5 seconds. It, you can see Kali Linux has already installed and it is opening, and it's going to run. You can see Kali Linux logo. And you can choose sorry, this is wrong. You can type in your username and password which is written above in username. If you had put already, then put that, or else it's that occur, then please try by typing root in the username and type in the password and press enter. You can see Kali Linux has installed in my laptop. Please like and subscribe this video if you like this, and if you need some these types of videos in further days, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.